The story of the Starbucks coffeehouse. Starbucks is a global coffeehouse chain that was founded in 1971 by three partners: Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, and Gordon Boker. The first Starbucks store was located in Seattle, Washington, at Pike Place Market. The original concept was to sell high-quality coffee beans and equipment. In 1982, Howard Schultz joined Starbucks as the company's director of retail operations and marketing. Schultz was inspired by the coffee culture he encountered in Italy and believed that Starbucks had the potential to recreate that experience in the United States. After a trip to Milan, Schultz proposed to the Starbucks owners the idea of adding a café element to the business, which would allow customers to drink coffee in store. However, the idea was met with resistance, and Schultz decided to start his own coffeehouse chain called Il Giornale. In 1987, Schultz purchased Starbucks from the original owners for $3.8 million and merged his stores with Starbucks. From there, Schultz's vision and leadership propelled Starbucks to become the global coffeehouse giant it is today. Key milestones in Starbucks history. IPO and expansion, 1992. Starbucks went public, allowing them to raise capital for expansion. The company started opening stores outside of Seattle, including locations in Chicago and Vancouver. Global expansion, 1996-2000. Starbucks opened its first international store in Tokyo, Japan, in 1996. This marked the beginning of the company's global expansion. Over the years, Starbucks opened stores in Europe, Asia, and other parts of the world. Product diversification. Starbucks introduced new products and services, including frappuccinos, bottled beverages, and Starbucks-branded products for home brewing. Digital innovation. Starbucks was an early adopter of digital technology in the retail industry. The company introduced mobile payments, loyalty programs, and a mobile app that allowed customers to order ahead. Ethical sourcing and sustainability. Starbucks has made efforts to source its coffee beans ethically and sustainably. They launched the Coffee and Farmer Equity (CAFE) practices program to ensure ethical sourcing. Expansion into tea and food. Starbucks acquired Teavana in 2012, entering the tea market. They also expanded their food offerings, introducing a variety of snacks and sandwiches. Social responsibility. Starbucks has been active in social and environmental initiatives. They have committed to reducing their environmental footprint. And they've been involved in various community and charitable projects. Challenges and reforms. Over the years, Starbucks faced challenges, including controversies related to labor practices, racial bias incidents in stores, and economic pressures. These events prompted the company to implement reforms and initiatives. Starbucks operates thousands of stores in countries all around the world and continues to be a major player in the global coffee industry.